Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically rate something like 5 stars on Google Sheets. So to do that, you're just going to go to the cells and just select everything, go to insert, and then select the drop down button here. And then for option 1, I'm just going to go to Emoji, and okay, I'm just going to copy and paste it from the website, or you can go to your keyboard, which is down here, and then add in like stars. So let's just find the star emoji and we're going to add that in here. Whoops, sorry. Okay. And I'm just going to close that. And then for option 2, I'm just going to add 2 stars. And then for option 3, 3, 4, and 5. And you can even change the colors. For instance, this one's like red, then orange, and then yellow, and then like light green. And this one is like blue, I guess. Maybe like I want that to be yellow, and this one should be green. And then you're just going to press done. Apply to all, and then here you can rate the items. I'll just adjust this a little bit. You can rate them like 5 stars and like 3, 2, 1 star, and like 5 stars and stuff like that. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!